Ang pagmamahal, hindi talagang masarap kung walang yung tampuhan. Ang tampuhan kasi yun ang nagbibigay ng katatagan sa pagsasama. Lalo na pag sentro mo ang Panginoon.
Submit yourself unto your own husbands as unto the Lord.
2004 September 25, no? Ang date ko ngayon. Mahalaga po sa akin to.
After 20 years, ngeni ko mas lalong akakit na you're a good husband, faithful husband.
Maging marangal nawa sa lahat ang pag-aasawa at word na word magkadungis.
Mahirap po kami magkahanap pero sa tulong ng Panginoon binigay niya po sa amin yung baby namin si JC.
Pag nagkasundo kayo na na-meet nyo yung expectation ni Lord, tingnan mo, blessing. Blessing talaga yung darating. Kaya ngayon, may bago kaming bahay.
Nakalagay sa Biblia, peace. There's always peace between you and your wife. Kahit anong mangyari po.
When the world
Don, asawa ko, salamat kayong gana-gana. Salamat kayong Lord na miras ka takin 20 years.
Salamat sa unawang binigay mo sa akin na talaga yung pagmamahal na talagang yung hindi ka sa akin nagsawa.
No, we might be nervous, I couldn't be more certain on us, on us. Now and then I'm wordless and say things that don't make sense. I know that it's love. The world led me to you. You put up with all the stupid things I do. Shooting stars are fun. It may sound very bizarre. They made this wish come true. The world could end with you. The world could end with. Oh, we might be nervous. I couldn't be more certain on us. On us.
I love you, asawa ko, Mamal Tok.
Salamat sa pagmamahal na binigay mo sa akin. I love you 3 times a day.